I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey guys, look at this big bush. Like, look at this. Look at this. So I brushed the hair out because I took it out of a ponytail and, you know, I'm about to curl my hair. But this is the hair. This is in its original state, but this is the hair when you wash it and then you brush it out, technically. So I'm about to show you guys how I create body wave curls, because I've been getting questions. How do you create body wave curls? How do you create body wave curls? Well, I'm gonna show you. The first thing that I do is obviously brush out your hair, or make sure it's in its natural state. Like, you want it to be a little wavy so that way the curls are easier to like produce. And then I get some heat protectant spray. I use Tresemmé, and I just spray a little bit, not that much, and on the ends. So a little bit about this hair. This is UNice Hair, and you will get more details about this hair in the review video. But yeah, UNice Hair, they sent me 4 bundles and the frontal. So for the frontal, it's 20 inches, and then the bundles are 26 inches. So when I curl my hair, to create body wave curls, you literally are just gonna twist the hair in the curling wand. You gotta get the curling wand nice and hot. I'm using this Red by Kiss to curl my hair. I grab a piece and then I twist it, and as I'm twisting the hair itself too, because you just want that body wave effect. So I'm twisting it, and then I'm twisting the hair as I twist it on the wand. And you just leave it on for a few minutes, not minutes, seconds. If you leave it on for a few minutes, it's gonna take you forever. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just keep it on there for like 20 seconds. And when I feel like it's time to release the hair, when I release it, I'm gonna hold it in my hands so that way it doesn't like completely like go over the curls, and it should come out like this. So that's pretty much what I do. And you can just twist the hair in the beginning when you grab the piece that you're gonna, you know, twist up. That way you don't have to like, you know, go through the struggle of having to twist it while you're trying to like curl the hair. You know, it's kind of complicated that way. So yeah, like literally that's all you do. You're twisting it like that. So yeah, that's how you do it. I mean, it's pretty simple, but a lot of people don't really know how to create that body wave curl. So I was like, let me just show them how to do it. You gotta make sure the like curling iron is definitely nice and hot, or else your curls will not come out the way you want them to. And you don't want to pick too much hair out and rush it. Like, you kind of want to take your time with this one, because, you know, having bomb curls, you gotta like really take your time. So this is how like the first few that I've done look like. And mind you, this is a 26-inch hair, and it's like shrunk all the way up because I'm curling it. So we're gonna fast forward these parts because, you know, you guys get the point. So yeah, just twist it back like that. So let's cue the music and fast forward it. The like body wave texture, like when you're trying to do like the body wave curl look, I would recommend a side part. Those look way better. So I think I'm gonna do like a side part. Indecisive. Typical girl, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a side part. And I'm gonna just part it like this. Alright. I put some mousse. So that way it could lay a little bit more flat. Cause like my hair is on that like middle part. You know how like your hair stays at the parting that you like put it in? So you have to like try to get it flat. Oh dang, his hair is sticking up. So yeah, just get the hair curler and just first try to make sure that like the parting is laying flat. That's what I'm pretty much trying to do right now. And then you can start curling. Now we take a piece of the hair. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Whew. Okay. To have it sitting a little bit more flat. Ooh, I put too much mousse, but it's needed because it's like, I just want this thing to lay flat. So mousse is your friend when you want the flyaways to go away and the hair to lay flat. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of mousse in the actual hair itself because the hair has a bit of frizzing, which will be all in the review when I give you guys my review. And it does have a bit of shedding, as you can see. So when I tell y'all what I tell y'all about the hair, I'm not lying to you guys. I give you guys honest reviews. And yeah, so you just run your hands through. Yeah. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is how my hair looks like when I pull out the curls and everything. So I really love this look, and I get so many questions on how I create that body wave look. So this is how I do it. I use a curling wand and I, enhance it a little bit more. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely subscribe. I appreciate everybody that's been subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. All the details about this hair will be in the description box below. I hope you guys learned something out of this tutorial, and I really, really do hope it was helpful, guys. Okay guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.